Blue-eyed, unveiled. Dive into the meaning. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to demystify the phrase, blue-eyed. Whether you've encountered this term in books, movies, or conversations, by the end of this video, you'll understand not only its literal but also its figurative meanings. Blue-eyed simply refers to someone having blue eyes. Blue is a color, and when we say someone is blue-eyed, it means they have blue-colored irises. For instance, she is a blue-eyed girl, means the girl has blue eyes. Beyond the literal interpretation, blue-eyed also has a figurative meaning in English. It can be used to describe someone who is favored or preferred, often unduly or without merit. For example, if someone says, "He's the boss's blue-eyed boy," it means that the person is the boss's favorite or most preferred employee. Not necessarily that he has blue eyes. 1. Literal usage. The blue-eyed baby looked curiously at the world around him. 2. Figurative usage. Ever since he completed that project successfully, he's become the blue-eyed boy of the company. Blue-eyed can refer to eye color or being someone's favorite. Context is key. Always check the surrounding words and situation to determine if the term is being used literally or figuratively. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, blue-eyed. We hope this has shed some light on how the term can be used both literally and figuratively. Keep diving into the intricacies of the English language, and remember, understanding these nuances can make your communication richer and more effective. Until next time, happy learning!